'cause she couldn't help me with my mind. People think I'm insane because I am frowning all the time. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I'd lose my mind if I don't find something to satisfy. Can you help me occupy my brain? Oh yeah. Well, hi there pluckers. I'm Saw Fingers again with hopefully a bit of fun for you, okay? Classic song from Black Sabbath, of course, Paranoid, on an acoustic guitar. Not normally the sort of thing you get around, is it? This is in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 2nd fret, puts us into the same key as the original version by Black Sabbath. By all means, if you don't want to put the capo on, just take the capo off. Play it without the capo, but for those of you who want to play along with the record, capo 2nd fret, using my method, you should be in tune with the record, okay? So we're starting off with a D minor shape, okay? So what I do for the intro, obviously normally it's playing on a heavily distorted, overdriven guitars, so it doesn't sound quite the same, but it's the gist of the song, yeah? If you're sort of on a campfire or out with your mates or sitting around having a drink, someone's got an acoustic guitar, you can have a sing-song, you know what I mean? So here we go. So what I do for the intro, right, D minor shape, and initially you lift off the second finger off the 3rd string. So you just leave the 3rd string open, and when you strum down, you hammer in to that 2nd fret on the 3rd string with this 2nd finger, yeah? Like that, and you do that 3 times, like individual times. So it's got that. So each time you strum, you open up the string, you strum, hammer into that 2nd fret of the 3rd string there. Then you play the little riff bit, and that is open 3rd to hammer into the 2nd fret on the 3rd string from the capo. And the other part is the 1st fret of the 2nd string, hammer up to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So you've got, okay, it all flows together. So one hammer after the other, sort of. Open 3rd to 2nd on the 3rd, then 1st fret 2nd string to 3rd fret 2nd string. And you do that twice after each lot of chords, okay? So it's slowly, it's got the idea, and I'm really hitting sort of 5th string down to about the 2nd string, so to get that right. Or you could dig in, you want to dig in a bit more on the 3rd string to get the hammer in a bit louder, by all means try that. Do that how many times you want. I think it does it 4 times on the record, okay, but so you can do it twice or 4 times, how many times you want to do that, okay? So that's the classic intro, okay? I'll slow it right down for you so you can do it really slowly for you. So that's 4 times. Then we go into the song itself, and that again starts on D minor, and the way I'm playing it is I'm palm muting. So I'm putting the back edge of this hand, this edge of your hand here, very lightly across the strings near the bridge somewhere, and you get that sort of very lightly. Don't press too hard, otherwise you get that. You want, it's like a half-hearted mute. Very, very light wrist. Right, so the chords of the verse is basically D minor, and then it goes to C, then there's a quick F to C and back to D minor. So it's finish with my woman, 'cause she C couldn't help me. F, C, D minor. F, normal F shape. Sorry about this. Get rid of him. F, C, D minor. Okay. Finish with my woman, 'cause she C couldn't help me. F with C, my D minor, mine. Repeat for the next line. People think I'm insane because I am frowning all the time. Okay. So let's get that far. Okay. So from the beginning, we'll do 2 lots of intro to keep it the sensible length of the lesson, and 2 lots of intro, and then we'll do the first 2 lines relatively slowly, not as quick as the record. Okay. Finish with my woman, 'cause she couldn't help me with my mind. People think I'm insane because I am frowning all the time. Okay. What happens now is it does it's a slight instrumental bit, okay, and then what happens then, it goes to B flat, C, back to D minor, but it sounds best if you do it as bar chords. So I'm playing a 1st fret B bar on the 1st fret from the capo with the 1st finger, and I'm barring the 3rd fret from the capo on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 3rd finger, or you could use 3 fingers, and then you move up 2 frets. So I'm now barring the 3rd fret from the capo with the 1st finger, and the 5th fret from the capo on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with either 3 fingers or bar. Or you could play it as like simple B flat, 1st fret top E string, 1st finger, and then the 3rd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with the other 3 fingers, and then move it up 2 frets for a C. So I'm now on the 3rd fret top E string, 5th fret with the other fingers. But it sounds better if you get the basic bit of the chord. So, okay, or you could play a power chord if you want. Just 1st fret, bottom, 5th fret. So I'll start again. 5th string. I'm getting hot here. Got the window shut to keep the noise out. 5th string, 1st fret. And then from the capo, the 3rd fret on the 4th string and 3rd string with 2 fingers, and slide it up for C power chord. But whichever suits you best. Okay, so it's B flat to C back to D minor. So we just go to the 2nd line where it goes. People think people insane because I am drowning all the time. D minor, B flat, C, D minor. Again, D minor, B flat, C, D minor. And then it comes in for the next line. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I'll lose my mind if I don't find something to pacify. C, can you help me? Sorry, C now. Occupy, C, D minor. So it's D minor. Can you help me? C, occupy, back to D minor, mine. Back to C, oh yeah. And then we do the riff again. D minor, C, F, C, D minor. And then the next verse. I need someone to show me the things in life that I can find, and so on. And that's it. That's the gist of the song. Okay. So what I'll do now is just go through the whole thing again, the intro and the first verse. Okay, slower than it is on the record, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, hopefully. So here we go. say because I am frowning all the time. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I'll lose my mind if I don't find something to pacify. Can you help me occupy my brain? Oh yeah. I need someone to show me, and so on. You get the idea, don't you? Have fun with that. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.